Hello, everyone. It's January 2025, and we have the new emails from the City of Ottawa for vacant unit tax. Now, stay calm. This is not related to your Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, income tax. Totally separate. This is the City of Ottawa. It's going to take you 30 seconds. Very simple. So I'll walk you through it. You're going to get your email saying the declaration period is now open. Two ways. One is to log into your City of Ottawa account. Two is you don't need to log in and you go to Ottawa.ca/VUT. Once you're here at the City of Ottawa, remember the address I put was Ottawa.ca/VUT. You're going to go declare property status, and it's going to tell you what you need. You need your property tax roll number, your full name, contact details, details about the property, start and end date if it's rented, if someone passed away, if you have any other documents, it's here. It's this simple for most people. So you're going to click next. You're going to say declare using the vacant unit tax declaration form. Once you're on this page where it asks you for your roll number and your access code, you will open your email from the city and you will copy paste the numbers, which are right here at the top of your email, into the city's page. So I'm going to copy that right now. Once you've copied the roll number and access code, you're going to click search property. Your property will show up and you're going to double check that it is the correct address. Click next, click next. Who's making the declaration? The owner. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your email address, and you're going to click next. The next question is going to ask, was this property purchased in 2024? You would answer yes or no. If you answer yes, it's going to ask for your closing date. If you answer no, it's going to ask if it was your principal residence for more than 6 months. So you'd read the details and you would select yes or no if this sounds like you. You can only have one principal residence. So if you live somewhere else, this is not your principal residence. So you'd put no. Was the property occupied for at least 6 months by a tenant, an occupant, or a combination of both? And it says at least 182 days. If that's the case, you'd put yes. If you put no, then it's going to ask you if it was under construction, if someone died, if there was a court order, or if it's seasonal. There's many different criteria. This is up to you. I'm not going to tell you which one you meet. I'm just showing you how to fill it out. So I'm going to select yes. And it was permitted by a family member. If it was a tenant, you'd put tenant. I'm going to put yes, the family member was in there. The start date, January 1st to December 31st. You put your own start date. And I'm going to put add if I want to add a second one. I'll put remove because I don't need to add a second one. But if you had 2 different periods, you would. In this case, I only have one person from start to finish, so I'm going to put one person. If I had a second person who might have moved in 4 months later who was a rental tenant, I would add another occupant and pair occupant dates. So I'll click next. I'm at the final step, which is step 4. I'm going to view the summary and I'm going to read everything over again. It's January 2025 right now, and I'm filling this out for the 2024 occupancy period. I'm going to review my roll number, my property address, full name, phone number, and email address. And then I'm going to double check that I put the right occupancy type. So I selected that it's tenanted or used by a permitted occupant, such as family. Start date is January 1st to December 31st. And I'm going to attest that I declare this information is true and accurate, and I understand I may be fined up to $10,000. And I'm going to click submit. Once you submit, it will tell you that it will be applied to your tax roll if there was a tax, but if not, in most cases, almost everyone that's watching this video, a copy of your declaration will be sent to the email provided and you save that copy for your records. And that's it. You click close when you're done. I always help to make people's lives easier as much as I can. So this is how I fill it out for me, and I hope this video helps someone out there. Till next time, thanks everyone.